In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Microsoft SQL to N8N. So the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your workflow or your essential project inside your N8N, and then this can be an existing project, or of course, you can create a new one like me. First, you then want to click on Add First Step, or just add a step over here, and then in the search nodes, look for SQL, and then you'll be able to find Microsoft SQL. Simply click on that, and then over here you can then select an action. So for me, I'm just going to go ahead and click on Execute a SQL query. Now, to do this, the first thing you're going to have to do is you will have to essentially connect with your credentials. And the way you do this is by clicking over here inside Parameters, Credential to Connect with, and then create a new credential. After you do this, you can see over here it says Connection, and this is where you're going to have to fill in all of these fields. Now, the way you do this, I recommend you just opening up the docs. So it says need help filling out these fields, click open docs, and then this will take you to docs.n8n.io, which will essentially tell you exactly what you're going to have to do. So over here, it says that to configure the credential, you'll need all of these things over here, and you can already see them over here. So the server name, database, user, password, port, domain. So you likely know that in case you've ever set that up, okay? So over here, there's going to be a detailed guide on how exactly to do this. I don't currently have a host set with SQL, so I can't really show you this. However, just read through this and go step by step, and then it's going to tell you exactly how to fill all this in, and then by the time you're done, you'll be successfully connected with Microsoft SQL and N8N. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.